So hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are giving the fifth lecture of DSA series, and today we are going to discuss the topic of string manipulation. You know how we would particularly manipulate the string in order to get the solutions of many different string problems, and after this video all your doubts about strings would be solved and everything related to it would be solved. So we would be using the Java language to understand the particular string manipulation, how it is done, and for running this we have used code chef. So the codes I will give you, so don't need to but just copy paste it, and you would understand like how it is running and what it is. You just need to get the concept right. If you get the concept, then everything would be fall into place, like you would understand each and everything that is coming in this particular topic, and every topic considering the string manipulation would be understood by you, and you can also run the code even to understand more deeply and visualize it, right? So yeah, string manipulation is one of the most common areas in coding rounds because it is testing, indexing, conditional logic, uh, traversal, pattern handling, and clean implementation under time pressure. So yeah, it is very important, a very important topic for DSA also. So we would also solve many DSA lead code problems after completing this particular PDF of particular 24 pages, and you would understand it. So string is what? String is a immutable data type. You cannot change it, right? If you have defined a particular string in code, then you cannot change the particular string, and so repeated modifications are better handled with string builder. Means we are making a string builder over here so that we could make a string particularly. Or when thread safety is needed, string buffer. For thread safety we use string buffer, and for repeated modification it is best handled with string builder. A good preparation strategy, yeah, this is all about the particular index page like thing where you would get to know everything which you are going to get in this this particular video. So yeah, let's start from here. So a sequence of character is used to show of a string using char at I. If I place the value char at of I means the string value. If I am defining a string str and I am naming it full on coding, so I am just going to write FOC. So I want to print str dot char at 1. It will print me O because indexing value 1 goes to O. So I will get the value O. And if I plate char at 0, I will get F. If I place char at 2, we will get C. If we place out of bound, then it will give the array, not index out of bound exception. And a character array, using two char array we can get the array particularly. A mutable object we can get by using the string builder or the string buffer tool. A frequency structure using arrays or maps particularly. So these are the main things. A substring window using two pointers. So two pointers logic will also be seen here, as we have studied arrays and two pointers, so it would be easy for us to understand particularly. String builder. Now what is string builder? String builder is a mutable and fast single threaded program. It is usually the preferred choice in competitive programming, as this is easy for us to mutate and it is a fast single thread program. So definitely it is easy in CP. So common methods of string builder are as follows. Append. We will just append the string values, like here it is hello, and then we are appending world, so output would be hello world. Next is insert. We are inserting in between or inserting after inserting before, like here it is given Java programming. We are inserting at what? We are inserting at the fourth position, that is the fourth index, that is 0 1 2 3. Here it is the fourth, and here we have inserted is 1, and after that the whatever the string may be, it will be present. So got it? Now it is delete. Now we are wanting to delete. So delete is coming with two parameters, like from where you want to start to delete and where you want to end the delete. So starting here it is given as 0th index, so we will start from 0 h move, and we will go to 4. So 0 1 2 3 4. We will not remove the fourth one because deletion is done from the starting index to the last index minus 1, that is 0 to 4. We will delete 0 to 3 only. system.out.println, we will get O world. So that is why O is present in the output, right? Now we are seeing delete caret. Now we are deleting the character, right? We are deleting the character using the index of the particular string. Now the string is given, it is made to be the string builder. Now we are deleting 0th index, we will get j removed and ava will come, that is the part of Java particularly. Now what is reverse? If we use to make a string using string builder like Java and we would reverse it, then we would get system.out.println. What will be the output? It would be a v a j, ava j, avas. So it would be the output particularly. Set caret. Now what is the use of set caret? We would use to make the string using string builder, and we will place the particular string value, and then we will take the particular character at a particular index. Like here we are putting the value at index 6 and we are placing the value j. So here the index 6 particularly, the value of j, capital J would be placed. So here we are having hello world 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is coming at W. So W will not get shifted, it will just get removed, and the character present at W will get removed and character J will come, and we will get hello jold, like hello JORLD. Not pronouncing properly, I know, but here the value is just being changed. Now we are using toString using the string builder. So here a value taken 10, b value taken 20. Now we want to print the particular integer toString a plus integer toString b. Now what will be going to the output, right? So the output would be, this is not now a integer value, here it was integer, but now using this particular writing integer dot toString, we have converted that particular a into a string. Now 10 is not a number, not an integer, it's a string. So string can't be added, right? String can't be added and give a single output, it would just imprint itself. So both have converted, so we will get the output as 1020. If we have taken it as a normal, then we have printed it a plus b, it would be 30. But as it is a string, so string cannot be added, it just be appended, right? So 1020 will be the answer. Now moving on, we are moving to string buffer. Now string buffer is also mutable, but its methods are synchronized, making it thread safe. This added safety usually makes it slower than string builder in CP scenarios. String buffer is slower as compared to string builder, so therefore we use string builder in CP. Now string buffer was a string builder in Java. String objects cannot be modified after creation, that is true. However, string builder and string buffer allow changes to the same object, which can improve performance in many scenarios. String buffer class. String buffer is a mutable sequence of characters that is thread safe. It is designed for multi-threaded environments where multiple threads may modify the same string object. Mutable and thread safe. Mutable means the value can be changed without creating new objects. Methods are synchronized in thread safe. Now we are seeing an example, right? Here the syntax example is of string buffer. Here we have taken a buffer to be as hello, and we are just writing the boiler template here, and we are printing hello, and sb2 is equal to sb1 means the content in sb1 equal to the content of sb2. Now we are appending the value of sb1 with world. So if sb1 equal to sb2, system same, not same, the value will be what? The value would be same, because we have said that sb2 will be equal to sb1. So at the moment sb1 dot got appended with world, sb2 will also get appended with world. So that's the reason why it is creating same. Yeah. So it modifies the existing objects. No new object is created during modification. Both references still point to the same memory location as it was made same. Yeah. Moving to the next point, that is string builder class. What is string builder class? It is a mutable sequence of characters similar to string buffer, but it is not thread safe, right? It was thread safe. What? String buffer was thread safe and it was mutable, but string builder is mutable but it is not thread safe. So it is optimized for single thread environments where performance is critical, where CP can be used as it doesn't take much time, right? Here syntax would be what? String builder SB equal to new string builder hello. So here we have done what? Hello. Then we have done the same work which we done in the previous example. Hello world. It would be same only. Why it would be same? Because it is pointing to a same object only. SB1 and SB2 are pointing to the same object, that is hello world. So that would be same only, right? Appends definitely changes the whole game, as these are equating with the help of append only. So SB1 value, SB2 value will be the same after the append operation, right? As we have given SB2 equal to SB1, that is why. But here it does give us fast execution, but it lacks the property of synchronization. It is not synchronized properly, so hence it gives us that problem. That is why in normal basis string buffer is preferred than string builder, as string builder is not synchronized, it is faster. But in CP string builder is preferred, right? String buffer is present since early versions of Java. It was introduced in Java 5. Means newer version is string builder, older version is string buffer. All right, it's old, it's new. It is synchronized string buffer. This means that multiple threads cannot call the methods of string buffer simultaneously. String builder is not synchronized. If multiple threads accesses concurrently, the external synchronization is required. So here it can get first. Due to synchronization, string buffer is called a thread safe class. Due to non-synchronization, it is called a thread, not a thread safe class. Due to synchronization, overhead string buffer may be slightly slower than string builder in single threaded scenarios. It is primary check for multiple threads. String builder is a lot faster than string buffer, right? Uses in multi-threaded environment, uses in single threaded environment, easy. Or non-concurrent environments, like where there are not more than one or more threads involving with each other. There is only a single thread involving. Next, frequently used string methods. You need to learn it, man. Like you learned every single thing like ABC. You need to learn that. So it would be easy for you to understand. It would be easy for you to implement in Java. Length, s dot length gives the number of characters. Char at, character at index. Substring means from beginning to end we are extracting the string as it is present in the given above string or not, right? Here begin is only given as a parameter, which means extract from index to end. Means we are extracting the index position to the end. S dot substring, we will start from index 3 and we will go till the end. End will be n. Okay. Substring begin to end means we are just specifying the range only, and in that range if it is substring it will return true or it will return false. Index of means it will return the first occurrence, like where this first particular x occurred. Last index of last occurrence. Equals means we are comparing the content of s1 s2, right? Remember, just we have done above only. So it was true because s1 and s2 was equal. Hello world. Equals ignore case means case insensitive equality, means we are checking the case is insensitive, equal or not. Compare to will give the lexicographical comparison, yeah, right? Contains will give the substring check. Starts with will give the prefix check. Ends with will give the suffix check. To uppercase converts all to uppercase. Lowercase converts all to lowercase. Trim removes leading trailing spaces. Replace, we will replace the particular value at a particular index. Replace a b. A means the index, b means the replacement value. Replace all, we will replace all the particular things here by different substring or different string, right? Replace first, we will just replace the first match place that it is matching, then we will replace. Split regress means we will split the string into two or into more that you want. To char array convert to character array. Is empty, checks if the empty string is present or not. Joint items will join the strings. String dot join is the your particular, what we say, like your syntax. Important regress note, that is methods such as replace all and split treat their first argument such as regular expression, not plain text. So special symbols like dot or bracket must be escaped when used literally. Like here it is a given example: string text learn 1 2 3 Java 4 5 6, string result replace all. We are doing what? We are replacing all the digits with D plus with single space. That is, we are just providing a space in between. Learn Java. Hello world backslash and Java s dot replace all, s plus replace all white space characters including space, tabs and line breaks. S plus with an empty string, right? So it would give what? It will remove all the white spaces and it will be merged, and not the value will change, but the still the capital letter will remain capital, and just the white spaces which were there before, just like the gap, they have been removed, right? String s a dot b dot c string parts s dot split, we need to separate using the dot, right? Apple space orange space banana, not space particularly comma, right? Here comma it is given. Text dot split comma basis, apple will be example output will be apple orange banana. Java is fun, s plus Java is fun, means the space according to the space we will particularly distribute. So yeah, it was all about it. Key problem solving techniques: frequency counting, that is count how many particularly things are coming continuously, right? We typically check for anagram checking, palindrome feasibility, duplicate counts, difference between two strings. Example skeleton is, we are defining a particular array in new in 256. It will go from 0 to 255, right? And we are just getting to convert this particular character ch s dot to char array, and here we are doing what? Ch plus plus, we are just incrementing the value. So this was about the frequency counting, how we are counting the frequency. Now we are moving to two pointers. Two pointers, what does it does? Palindrome checking, one pointer at the start, one pointer at the end, check. Left to right, right to left, palindrome check. Reverse style comparison, how they are reversely related. Matching from both ends or not, this can be also done. Skipping unwanted characters, like we have a number 1 2 3 4 5, we don't want 3 over here, so we would use the two pointer approach and definitely remove 3, and we will get output of 1 2 4 5, right? So this can be done. So basic idea of this particular two pointer approach will be, we are defining I as 0, j as s dot length minus 1. While I is less than j, we will go in the while loop and we will print if s dot caret of I not equal to s dot caret of j, we will return, and I plus plus and j minus minus plus. I is at the start and j is at the end. Next is sliding window. Sliding window is essential for media level string problems. Sliding window is what? Basically the window is sliding and we need to get the particular values that we want in a particular question. So here typical uses are longest substring without repetition. Without repetition is the main thing in sliding window. Minimum window substring, window based counts and constraints. Pattern will be expand the right pointer, update count states, shrink from the left while invalid, record the best answer. Here DP also comes into play as it helps us to solve the problems of edit distance, longest common subsequence, longest palindrome subsequence, and minimum insertion solutions. Common mistakes to avoid it: using equal to instead of equals for content comparison, right? Here equal to not will not run. Equals has a function in string, so equals will run. Forgetting the substring begin and excludes the end index, right? If we are going till the end, we will go to end minus 1. If we are getting just the begin value, then we will go from begin to the last index. Building strings repeatedly using plus inside loops. Using replace all when little replace is enough. Ignoring case normalization when required. Forgetting edge cases such as empty string, single characters, all same characters, or all distinct characters. This is important to notice. Suggested practice questions, these are the practice questions you should also practice. In fact, we will just make some lead code problems so that it would be easy for you and environment friendly for you to gain that confidence in you, so that you could also get the values done, right? So here are the Java problems. Many there are problems only, and we will discuss this particular problems line by line, step by step, so that you could also get an easy understanding of this. So yeah, let's start. Program 1 is reverse a string. We would reverse a string. If we are given ABC, how can we convert it into CBA? So here we have written the boilerplate. First of all, we will just import all the things so that there is not a dependency of importing particular string modules from java.util.star. Now we will scan the input, we will put it in a string, we will use a string builder so that it is easy for one thread only. We would run the loop from s.length, length is 3, 3 minus 1 2. Alright, I am doing for this particular example only. I should be greater than equal to 0, so it is greater than equal to 0. I minus minus for 2, it will run and it will give the value C. Then it will be what? It would be 1. 2 got eliminated, 1 will come, 1 index will print B and it will get also eliminated, will print 0, then 0 will get the value of A. Here system.out.println, we are just printing SB, that is appending in the loop, and they are printing the value outside the loop. So output will be CBA. Done. Now we will check the palindrome. How to check a palindrome? Palindrome is what? We are printing a particular, like here, string where reverse it also has the same value. ABA will give ABA only. Like madam, right? Like ma'am. If you give the example of ma'am, it is also good. We are getting the value MAAM. We will reverse it and we will get the value MAAM. It will return true or false, right, as it is palindrome or not palindrome. Here it is given palindrome or not palindrome. So we will take the input, we will put it in a string, we will learn the we have initialized I equal to 0, j equal to s dot length minus 1. We do for this particular example ABA. So here the length would be 3 and 3 minus 1 2, so j would be 2, I would be 0. So boolean OK equal to true, we are using the boolean value of OK while I is less than j. I is definitely less than j, 0 less than 2, so it will get in the loop. If s dot caret not equal to s dot caret j, then OK equal to false. We would just break and move out of the code and we will get I plus plus and j minus minus. It is true. So what we would do, yeah, the condition here it is given, is it true or false? For ABA it is false, so definitely we would break it and we will go I plus plus, j minus minus, I will become 1, it will become, right, 1. So definitely we are got to the end, and here we are getting the value of this particular as palindrome, as it is a palindrome string ABA, or you can also do ma'am, it will be the same only. You can also do madam, right? Next, palindrome ignoring case and spaces. We are ignoring the case and the spaces. Here, just like I told you, like I take madam here, we would get the same value after reversing it. So we get the same value. Just see the logic over here. We will be doing some lead code problems over here. So tune in to the channel. Subscribe the channel. Like the video. So it would be all for us. Input taken string s, we are replacing it with s plus to lowercase, so that we are ignoring the case and spaces too. Here we are defining I and j, boolean OK equal to true, just the previous code. Count vowels, consonants, digits and spaces. Okay, so we are taking the input, converting it into lowercase so that it would be easy for us to understand, and vowels, consonants would be easy. We have initialized it as all 0 for vowels. A, E, I, O, U must be present. So running the loop, we are taking char ch equal to s dot caret of I. Every element or every digit, every letter of the word will be taken, of the string will be taken, and that will be analyzed. If it is present in vowels, vowels plus plus. If else if we will give A, Z, consonants, 0 to 9, digits, nothing value, spaces. So we will print all the vowels, consonants and digits values. Now it's for check anagram. Now see how we will check for anagram. Here we would take the input, we will convert it into lowercase, two values we have taken. If length is not equal, then definitely it is not an anagram. If it is equal, then we come into play. We write the code like this. We take a for loop, less than a dot length, we do a frequency plus plus, frequency minus minus. Why we did? Because we want to get the opposites, right? Then a for loop again, less than frequency dot x plus plus. If x of frequency of x not equal to 0, we will print not of anagram, we will return it. System dot out dot println, we will print anagram if these both two conditions are what? If this condition is true, if this is true, then it is not an anagram. If this is false, then we will print it is anagram. Next, first non-repeating character, we are importing it, we are taking the input, right? We are placing it into string, we are then making an array of this particular int frequency, then we are running the loop, we are printing the value of particular string frequency character plus plus, then we are moving to s dot length, right? Here we are checking equal to 1 or not, and then we are printing this particular value. If this is true, then we will write no non-repeating characters in the string. If we write ABA, then non-repeating characters for B would be true. It will print non-repeating characters for B. If it is A, then it will not give the value, it will give false. Okay. Remove duplicate character preserving orders. We take the input, store it in string, we take the boolean value seen, then we take string builder ANS, then we particularly want to see the character, so we are checking as ch equal to s dot caret of I. If not seen character, set it true, ans dot append, and then we just print the particular string, that is ans. Reverse each word in a sentence. How to reverse? Take the input, put it in a string, we need to split it, split every word, we take out, we use the for loop, we use the sb string builder class, out dot append sb dot reverse, right? And we append it. We just take the split value, we get the word, we take the word, we just reverse it. We have the function to reverse, so we reverse and we check the word length minus I is true or not. Then we out dot append and we just print the out value. Now we move to the program 9, count occurrences of a substring, that how many times the substring occurred. We take the input, we take the next line, we again take the next line, we take the count as 0, right? Here we have done it, and we take the loop, then particularly for loop, and check whether the text.substring is present or not equals to pat. If it is present, count plus plus, we will return the count. This is all about count substrings. Now string compression, the string A, B, B, C compresses to A3, B2, C3. We just take the input, we take a string, then we take the string builder ANS, we take a for loop, we run it, ch equal to s dot caret of I int j equal to I. We just see if we are getting that particular value multiple times, then we are converting that particular values into I equal to j, that is append of j minus I, and this will be returned into ANS dot to string if we have a continuous value only, that specified by here. This is the main line of the code. Longest word in a sentence, how it will be checked? We take the input, we just trim it, split it, ans string of words is w of length greater than answer dot length, ans equal to w, print ans. Easy. Check rotation of strings, a b a c d s2 c d a b a. Take in the input 2 times, a dot length equal to b dot length, we need to take it true, a plus a dot contains b, we do rotation, otherwise we don't do rotation. Longest palindromic substring, int s equal to bananas, output will be anana, that is this longest substring. We take this value, expand it, and take the for while loop. After putting it in a while loop with greater than max length, we check start of equal to 1, max length r minus l plus 1, l minus minus r plus, we will just put it in the function, that is we check the s dot length. If it is matching, then we will paste the value over here only. Minimum deletions to make a palindrome, what will the deletions be taken that would be used to make a palindrome? This question we will be doing, but not right now, as it is a DP question, we have not discussed it. Longest common prefix in an array of strings, take in the input, make it an array, make it a for loop, make a array dot I string prefix, we make a for loop, we make a while loop, then we take the value from 0 to prefix dot length of j minus I, and here we check the prefix. If it is empty, then we will break it, and if it is present, then we will get the prefix value. So this is all about it. Check if one string is a substring of another, subsequence of another. Take an input j, ij equal to 0, while loop done, caret equal to, if it is true, then it will only a subsequence, I plus plus j plus plus I equal to length, yes or no. If it is true, it will print yes, that would be a subsequence of another substring, right? Yeah. Lexicographical comparison of two strings. Here we compare two, we have got a function, and if it is equal to 0, we get equal, otherwise we get a comes first or b comes first. Character frequency of entire string, we will get the character frequency of entire string using this particular for loop only. Check if palindrome can be formed or not. Palindrome means if you reverse the particular string, you will get the original string only. This we have done only. Toggle case of characters, we taken the input string builder, for loop ch dot caret of I a to z ans append. If that doesn't happen, we need to do ch plus 32, then append answer dot toString. Remove all spaces from a string, we would get this. We will remove replace, that is this blank space. Count words in a sentence, this is used particularly to split and trim, particularly and trim, then split, we will get the words dot length. Valid shuffle of two strings, this would be also done in particularly code questions. Yeah, count distinct characters, this can be done. So input taken, stored in string, boolean value taken, count equal to 0, for loop established, I 0, I should be less than s dot length, I plus plus char ch equal to s dot caret of I access character at current index, if not of scene ch scene ch equal to true, count plus plus, the value would be incremented. We will get the value of count from here. Print all substrings will be printed as these are storing in the next line. Length done, it will print the substring from I to j. Longest common subsequence length, a value, b value taken, m equal to b dot length. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n I plus plus, j equal to 1, j less than equal to m, j plus plus. If a dot character at equal to a value, then it is true. It is a DP question, we will do it. Right. We can do this one, short characters of a string. Take the input string s, char as, arrays dot sort array, system dot out of print the new string array. So this was all about particularly this video of string manipulation. I hope you got the concept right. Questions can be done far behind if you get the concept right. If you are getting the concept right, you can like the video, share the particular video of the string manipulation lecture 5 of DSA series. We would be making more questions on lead code so that we could have a strong hold on this particular topic. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice one, have a nice day. Yeah, thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.